Smoothing tools, a spinning dreams are winning. Building wonders, solving puzzles, crafting moments, no rebuttals. Siding, sawing, hammers, calling nails are flying. Projects thriving, quick and nimble, ever simple. DIY that's monumental. Tickle the soul, watch it roll. Ingenious hacks on full control. Elevate, innovate, time to create. Magic in each frame, so great. Zagging fast transition, every cut a new addition, bringing joy in repetition. Kids and adults, same ambition. Pulling gears and winding wires, lighting sparks, we're aiming higher. Each invention's pure attention, crafted passion, no dimension. Tickle the soul, watch it roll. Ingenious hacks on full control. Elevate, innovate, time to create. Magic in each frame, so great. Hacks on full control. Elevate, innovate, time to create. Magic in each frame, so great. Magic in each frame, so great. Up to sunshine on a dancing breeze. Birds were singing like they own the trees. Phone rings, news, it sets my heart ablaze. Oh, this life's a gift in so many ways. What a day, what a time to be alive. Every second feels like the world's on a high. Kicking up skies, touching dreams on the way. What a life, what a love, oh what a day. Running down streets with the wind in my hair. Everything sparkles like it's nothing but fair. Strangers are smiling like they're in on a joke. This is the fabric of hope that never broke. What a day, what a time to be alive. Every second feels like the world's on a high. Kicking up skies, touching dreams on the way. What a life, what a love, oh what a day. Catch a glimpse of forever in the here and now. The stars might be jealous if they knew how. Every moment burns brighter in a golden hue. It's like the universe is cheering right on cue. What a day, what a time to be alive. Every second feels like the world's on a high. Kicking up skies, touching dreams on the way. What a life, what a love, oh what a day. Oh, what a day. Tick-tock, little clock moving, hands so quick. Craftsman in control, pulling off each trick. Building dreams with wood in a flash of light. In this busy world, everything feels right. Swing nails and pow pow, let's go. Creating art so fast, what
come alive in a blink of